look at that view!
It's beautiful, so green.
Wow, so many trees! Sounds fun!
This is so peaceful, isn't it?
Yes, and the food is yummy.
The sunset makes it perfect.
Look at the fire.
This is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Can I have some too?
Of course, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom.
In a cozy forest, there lived a family of storytellers. Every night, they gathered to share tales of wonder. And that, my dears, is the end of our story. Time to sleep now.
Wow, it's raining. Look at the rain.
A rainy day surprise. Fold the top corners down like this.
Like this, Daddy?
Yes, good job.
Mine's a boat. Hee hee, fun. Yeah!
Have fun! This is nice and warm.
It is so cozy in here.
The rain sounds nice. Yeah!
Okay, let's pack this up. I'll get the containers.
And I'll take the bag.